Children, look here. What is this question? Let us read. Find the smallest number by which 1100 must be multiplied so that the product becomes a perfect square. Okay. Also find the square root of the number so obtained. Now this is very clear that 1100 is not a perfect square. Now you have to find that smallest number which when multiplied by 1100 will give you the square number. Now look here, what we have to do? First we have to prime factorize this particular number to get the number or get the factor which is required to multiply by 1100. So first of all, let us factorize. Step 1 is to factorize. What factorize? Prime factorize. So I will start here 1100. Let us factorize. 0 at the end, you can use 2 or 5 also. Let us start with 2. 2 5s are 10. Again 1 left, 2 5s are 10, 0. Now again 0 is there, so you can start with 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14 and 2 5s are 10. Now there is no chance, we have to go for 5. 5 5s are 25 and again 5 5s are 25. Again 5 1s are 5, 5 11s are and 11 1s are. Now children, look, we have 2 in pairs, 5 in pairs and 11 is left alone. That means 11 is that smallest number by which 1100 must be multiplied to make it a perfect square. So how shall we write? First of all, 1100 is equal to how much? 2 square into 5 square into 11. This is how we will write. Now when you will multiply 11 on both sides. Now 1100 multiplied by 11 will give you 2 square into 5 square into 11 into 11, that is 11 square. So what is your answer for this here? Smallest number by which 1100 must be multiplied. So 1100 must be multiplied. Multiplied by 11 to make it a perfect square. Okay. Now next thing is also find the square root of the number so obtained. So square root means the square root of this. So first of all, you write down this 1100 into 11 is giving you 2 square into 5 square into 11 square. Now this is the number you are going to get after multiplying 1100 by 11. So if you will check this, you will get 12100. So square root of 12100 will be equal to how much? Root of 2 square into 5 square into 11 square. So that will be equal to 2 into 5 into 11. So how much? 5 to the 10 and 110. So the square root of 12100 will be equal to 110. Now look here, the same thing again. See, by what smallest number must 180 be multiplied so that it becomes a perfect square? Also find the square root of the number so obtained. I hope you all are accustomed now how you have to do this. Let us prime factorize 180. So this is an even number. Let us start with 2. 2 9s are 80, 90. Now again 2 45s are 90. Now 5 9s are 45 and 3 3s are 9. So 3 1s are 3. So children, see what we have got here. 180 is equal to 2 square into 5 into 3 square. Isn't it? 2 2s, 1 5 and 2 3s. So here 5 is unpaired. So what we will do? We will multiply both sides by 5. So you will get 2 square into, see, 5 into 5 will give you 5 square into 3 square. So 180 must be multiplied by 5 to make it a perfect square. So first answer is 180 must be multiplied by 5 to make it a perfect square. Okay. Now what will you get? 180 into 5 will be equal to 900 is equal to 2 square into 5 square into 3 square. Because see, also find the square root of the number so obtained. Now square root of 900, apply square root on both sides. 2 square into 5 square into 3 square. So this will be equal to how much? 2 into 5 into 3. So 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So square root of 900 is equal to 30. Yes, come on children. Let us see what this question says. Find the smallest number by which 3645 must be divided. See, a little different from what we have solved just now. Okay, so that it becomes a perfect square. Also find the square root of the resulting number. Here also we have to follow the same system. First, prime factorize 3645. Okay, so 5 at the ones place, so start with 5. 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are 10, 5 9s are 45. Now see here, 9 and 72, that means either 9 or 3. So 9 is not the prime factor, so 3. See, 7 plus 2, 9, 9, 18, so that's why. 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 12, 3 3 is 9. Now see, 4 and 3 7, 7 into 9, so again 3. 3 8 is 24, 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. Then 3 9s are, then 3 3s are, and then 3 1s are. So let us group pair. 5 is unpaired. So 3645 must be divided by 5 to make it a perfect square. Let us see what we can do. So 3645 is equal to, we are getting 5 into, see, 3 square, 3 square, 3 square, 3 square into 3 square into 3 square. So since it is asking about division, so we will say that 3645 must be divided by how much? Divided by 5 to make it a perfect square. Okay? Perfect square. Now do it. 3645 divided by 5 will give you 5 into 3 square into 3 square into 3 square by 5. So this 5 and this 5 cancel. Now if you cancel 5 factors, so you will get 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are 10, and 5 9s are 45. This is equal to 3 square into 3 square into 3 square. Now 729 is the number which is the perfect square. Now also find the square root of the resulting number. Simply take square root on both sides. So this will be root of 3 square into 3 square into 3 square. So what are you getting? Root of 729 will be equal to, see, 3 square you will get 3, from 3 square you will get 3, and from 3 square you will get 3. So your final answer is 27. For the first one, smallest number is 5, and the second one, also find the square root of the resulting number. The second answer is 27. Is it clear?